Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in. If you want to see how I got some micro locks, how I done them myself, and you can too, then just stay tuned. I have you covered. So once again, if you want to see how to do your own micro locks, then yeah, so if you have short or thin hair, this video is for you. I'm just showing you the length of my hair right now. I kind of shaped it up a little bit in more like a pixie haircut, and I'm just pulling down the front so you can see that. So about 9 months ago, I had cut my hair off because it was permed and I want to go all natural again. So that's exactly what I did. And here's a picture of how that looked before. And it has grown out significantly. And now I'm just showing you how I section off the hair into different sections, and that way you are able to know how many locks to put in each section. So now after I have the section off, I'm just going to start parting the sections and the thickness I want. I have done some mini locks before. They was not micro, and of course I will insert some pictures so you can see the mini micro locks that I did before, and I do not want that this time. We're going for the micro, so you want to make sure that you are parting your hair very thinly to get micro and not mini locks. So if you want to check that video out, you can go check that video out as well. So right now I am just grabbing a little piece of hair so I can start the micro lock process. Now you want to grab 2 strands of your hair and you want to start 2-strand twisting the hair, grabbing 1 strand and then another strand, and you just want to start twisting the hair like I am doing right here. So after we get through twisting the hair, we'll be doing something at the ends of the hair, which will be box braiding the hair. Box braiding the hair is when we take 3 sections of the hair and we start braiding the hair downward. Now the ends of my hair are kind of even more thinner than the root of my head, so when I box braid the hair, you barely can tell that they even box braid at the end. So that is how that is looking. And then once you get through with that one, I am parting with my fingers. I am not using a comb to part going across. Now, when I first started parting, you see me use a comb just to get the section of hair I wanted. But whenever I am doing the 2-strand twist and I am box braiding the hair at the end of the hair, then I am just using my fingers to section that hair off. And yeah, that is all I'm doing right here. I'm just showing you again how to do the process. Next, you just want to move up to the next row. And once again, make sure that that section is small, because once again, we're going for micro starter locks instead of mini locks. And I have no products in my hair, nothing. It's just clean hair. I did not put any gel or anything on my hair. And I'm just twisting the hair again, and I'm just gonna, of course, box braid the end. When you box braid the end, you want to go about 1 inch off the end of the hair that you braiding. So about 1 inch, that's when you start box braiding, and I'm just giving you a close-up so you can see how, you know, kind of sort of how that looking. I know my hands are in the way, but you can kind of get the process of what I'm doing right here. So yeah, so after that, that's the first section that is completed, and then this is how it should be looking. They're very small, and I'm not sure how many locks I have, but I guess I could count them one day and maybe do a video on how many locks I have, but I'm not sure. But they were small. And then now here goes the other section completed. That's the back completely finished. And of course, I'll be showing you section by section how each section will be looking. Now, the next 2 sections, which will be 4 sections altogether, is looking like this. So that was the 2 that was on that side, and the 2 back equals 4 sections. So I've completed that. And I'm just trying to show you how that's looking. Just be patient when you are doing your 2-strand twist starter locks, micro locks. And that's really the key in getting this style, is being patient and taking your time and making sure that the parts are right. Now I have the whole back section done. That is 6 sections that is done. That was 2 in the back, 2 on each side. So yeah, that is the whole back completed. And I'm just trying to see if I can kind of move the hair around so you can kind of see how the parting is looking as well. So I'm giving you another view of how that is looking in case, you know, you wanted an even more close up of how to expect for your hair to be looking once you get the back done, and how full it should be looking and all that good stuff. Now once completed, this is how the hair looks. I mean, when I'm totally done and I haven't put any products. Now I have wet my hair, and I'm just showing you how it's looking now. Well, I had wet my hair with some water, and this is how it turned out. I'm loving my hair. It looks good. It's the size I want. It also even having a little shake, you see. It's a little dry, but that's fine because remember, we did not put any products in the hair. Now, like I said, all we putting in there for the moment is just some plain water, but of course they said the still water is better, and of course I'll be getting that as well, and some more little products and some more things that I picked up, and I'll be showing you that as well, you know, in case you want to style your hair or whatever. So of course I will be definitely showing you that, and just trying to give you a good view. Now with rose water in my hair, this is how my hair is looking. I just got through spraying rose water in my hair. Of course I'll be showing you how that bottle looks, the rose water that I've gotten. And I just use some more water just to kind of get those curls to pop a little bit at the end, and then reduce some frizziness. It said it'll help. So here's the spray bottle I use, and I just put some distilled water in there, and you just want to spray your hair maybe twice a day with that, from the research I've seen. But I'll keep you updated and, you know, show you how my hair will be doing month to month or week to week, or however y'all would like. Just comment down below and I'll post just that often. This is the rose water that I'm using. Everything that I'll be using, I'll also put it in the description box in case you want to pick up some as well. So yeah, and then I'm just going to show you a few little items that I use as well, which is some shower caps. Make sure you want to keep the hair from getting wet, a bonnet to keep the hair protected from lint, some bobby pins, and these was cute bobby pins as well. So yes, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and each and everyone have a great blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.